Let's talk about VO₂max, a term you've probably heard before, but what does it actually mean and why should you care? VO₂max, or aerobic capacity, is basically the maximum rate at which your body can take in, transport, and use oxygen during intense exercise. The higher your VO₂max, the more oxygen your muscles can use, and that means you can produce energy aerobically at a higher rate. In endurance sports like cycling or running, that's a big deal. Now, a lot of people think VO₂max is purely determined by genetics. And while it's true that your genes do play a role, the good news is, VO₂max is very trainable. With the right training, you can make significant improvements, especially if you're starting from a lower base level. How does it work? To keep it simple, your body works like a factory. Oxygen is the raw material, and ATP, your energy currency, is the final product. To increase factory output, you need to improve every step of the process. The two main parts are 1. Central factors, things like your heart and lungs, which deliver oxygen to your muscles. 2. Peripheral factors, what happens inside the muscles themselves. This includes how dense your capillaries are, and how many mitochondria you have to actually use the oxygen. The good news, both parts respond well to training. How to train to improve VO₂max. High-intensity intervals, like 3 to 5 minute efforts at around 90 to 95% of your max heart rate. This is a great example of how intervals look in a real training plan. You push hard for 3 to 5 minutes, close to your max effort, then recover before the next one. Consistent endurance training, build your aerobic base with steady, lower-intensity rides or runs. Variety and intensity, combine hard sessions with longer, easier efforts. And of course, remember, recovery matters. Your body needs time to adapt and rebuild stronger. Takeaway, VO₂max is not just a number. It's a reflection of how well your body delivers and uses oxygen to create energy. It's trainable, it's important, and it's one of the key ingredients in endurance performance. Train smart, stay consistent, and you'll see improvements. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more performance tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tested your VO₂max? See you in the next one.